Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Vivienne. I am the business software coach. So in today's video, we will learn about the lean inventory tools, Poka-Yoke. So what is Poka-Yoke? How does Poka-Yoke respond to human error? And where is Poka-Yoke is used in your manufacturing environments? Okay, let's begin. What if you were perfect? What if no one in your company ever made a mistake? There will be no reworks or scrap material in your factory. Purchasing agents would never gather the wrong materials or parts. Your warehouse would never send out an incomplete or incorrect order. Your driver will never deliver to the wrong customers. There will be zero returns anywhere. What will be the impact on what inventory? Clearly, inventory level in every part of your company would be lower. In fact, some inventories like factory rejects would be zero. I think you will agree. This would be a huge competitive advantage for your business. Now, lean can't guarantee to eliminate every mistake, but there is a lean concept that is designed to help you to reduce errors throughout your entire organizations. This is called Poka-Yoke, and this is a Japanese word from mistakes proving, and this is one of the easier lean concepts to implement. You probably have already experienced Poka-Yoke. The last time you placed your order at the restaurant, did the waiter repeat the order to you? That's Poka-Yoke. The goal of Poka-Yoke is to prevent the error from happening. In the service industry, like the restaurant's example, the customer is asked to verify there are no errors. Once this is done, the order moves forwards. But what about Poka-Yoke in the manufacturing area? In assembly operations, for example, parts can be made so that they connect in only one manner. It is not possible to assemble the components backward, so rework are avoided. At the factory workstations, if 4 bolts are needed to perform the required task, the bolts will be provided in the packages of 4. Where the packages is empty, you know the task is complete and the products can be moved to the next workstations. Again, reworks are avoided. Poka-Yoke can be implemented in just about any parts of the organizations. And remember, this is all about preventing the errors from happening in the first place. If you want to implement Poka-Yoke where you work, a good place to start is with a specific customer's returns. Ask why the customers return your products. Then keep asking why until you discover where the errors was made. That's where the Poka-Yoke is put in place. Poka-Yoke may be rather easy to implement, but finding the true cause of the error is often not so easy. Many companies use small quality teams to exploit this. Once you find the right place to add the right Poka-Yoke, you should be able to prevent that mistakes from happening again. By reducing customer returns, you can improve customer service and lower the amount of inventory in the return cycle at the same time. So that's good news for everyone. So do your company implement Poka-Yoke at the same time? So let's explore more. Well, that's the end of my sharing in this video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. I am the business software coach who not only teaches theory but also develops software to fit the needs of the real world businesses. Please subscribe to my channels and hit the notifications bell. Or leave a aha comments if you learn something new from my videos. This will definitely motivate me to make a weekly video like this to share with you guys, yeah? Okay, that's all for my sharing for today, and I see you in my next video.